Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. We are getting ready to go to the gym. As you can see, I'm about to get my protein. I honestly did not want to get up today, but here we are. Here we are up. I'm using Trader Joe's almond milk. I don't want too much. I'm using organic protein. I think this is just one scoop. Oops. This serving size. Oh gosh. There's some powder on the freaking lid. I already started the car, so I forgot like my shoes. It's fine. I don't need them. And all pretty now. It's like whenever I get up to go to the gym, or when I'm about to get up for the gym, I feel so tired. But when it's done, I be feeling good. Now it's time to get ready for work. Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to come on here to take out my braids together because these things have been in for a day. I washed my hair and just put them in braids because I didn't feel like dealing with them. So I wanted to do a crusty dusty braid out review. Okay, we could work with that. This is what happens when you actually let your hair fully dry. Can we believe it? I need to get my pick. Hold up. I've got my handy dandy pick. And I'm just gonna try to get this separation out. But I don't really know if I can. I really did the frizzy thing, huh? Okay. So this is the back. I think it worked in the back. Just in the front. And then the front. I think it's cute. It makes me think of high school. I think my hair was always like this in high school. Today is a cool day because today is my mom's birthday. I have work in a little bit, but wow, I still had a little bit of braid left. After work, I think I'm gonna take her to this cute restaurant near us. But yeah, today is a chill hair day. I don't really think I want to touch my edges anymore. I just kind of want to be free. So we will tap in a little later. So I'm getting ready to go to my mom's birthday dinner, and I decided to just wear something basic. Got this shirt from, I don't know where, Cotton On? H&M, long time ago. Cargo skirt from Zara, and some boots from Marshall's actually. So I got the little back slit, nothing too provocative. And now I just gotta do my, I'm not gonna do too much makeup, not really makeup at all. I'll probably just put on some lashes and then I'm done. So we will see each other at the dinner. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carla Michelle. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Shall we go again?
Finally, I'm not running back. I'm turning up and on and down, coming down. I be coming for your mind, running in. I be fighting for your time, right? I know it's fine, I know it's good. Damn, I know you're mine, you know it too. Fine, I might be wrong, but I don't care. You're in my own, just been on there, waiting for you to come here and be on there.
And that's why I'm bringing it back to what I was saying earlier. The reason why I was hyped is that I think that the example, what you've done is amazing, and there's nothing to be taken away from that. That must be, I mean, how does that feel internally? Does that feel that way?
Right? You will get that flag to the top of that hill, and you were flag to the hill, and realize that mindset. You know, I had one of the greatest with happiness, right? It's like we're winning, what is your problem? And I actually had to discover feelings, right? And start, at this point in my life, I've actually discovered the magical balance.
In that process, and I don't even like myself.
And you can learn much more to achieve things. There's a
That if your grandmother
Welcome back to Cooking with Me. Nobody's trying to spend money all the time. DoorDash is taxing. You think that I'm gonna pay $30 for something I could get for $15? No, there's food in the house. Got the sizzling Hussein shrimp. This is very easy. It says the prep time is 10 minutes, cook time's 30. So we gonna see if they actually mean this. The thing that's gonna take the longest though is the rice. But I do have a rice maker, so I think I'm gonna use that so I could speed it up a little bit. But yeah, they try to act like this is nothing, but the fact that everything takes 18 minutes, I'm not going to do that. I'm gonna get this oven going that might not even heat up, and I'm gonna get this rice going. So join me. We're listening to, oh my gosh, Big Sean. I was listening to this at the gym, so I was like, why not keep the vibe? So enjoy, sit back, and watch me cook while you should be cooking. Wait for however long this thing wants to go. So I'll be doing dishes and putting some dishes away. I'm gonna do my taste test on this shrimp meal I just slaved downstairs. They gave you a lime on the side. I'm gonna squeeze it just to, you know, use it. Okay. Bussin'. Definitely worth it. I'm about to chill for a little bit since I kind of just got off work. So me and you, we gonna chat in a little bit. So I will see you soon. Bye.